Okay, now I'm back at home. So this is the box I'm going to use. It's what my Erin Condren planner came in. But anyway, what I thought about you could actually do is you could use, you know, if you happen to get the Erin Condren planner that I'll talk about in that video, it will come in this box, so you could use it. But also, you could also use just a regular crafts box that you could get from like your local craft store. That just opens like that. But what I thought about, since I'm gonna do the beach theme, I do have some scrapbook paper, and the whole thing is a beach theme because I love the beach. So I thought, okay, well, what I'll do is take the scrapbook paper and, you know, cut it out and make a little coping box with. Okay, so our coping skills box. This already had some gift wrapping paper in it. So let's just take that out. But I like to keep like some of the gift wrapping paper because I just think it looks pretty. So we're going to put our little coastal magazine in there, and we're going to make it into our own little personal beach. And then another thing I thought about that I want to do, I want to use a different, like a different paper and put it in the box like that and glue it in. And then right on there, this too shall pass. Because a lot of times when you get into like a frame of mind where you just are so worked up, depending on what, you know, it could be anything. It's, you know, a lot of things in this world can work you up pretty good. So I think it's a good idea for everybody to have some type of coping skill spots. It doesn't have to be like the beach theme, but it could also be like a mountain theme, or it doesn't even have to be a theme. But I just kind of like the thought of having a little theme box. So we got our kinetic sand. Gonna put that in there. Our little candle that smells so wonderful. Pineapple lily. Let's just go ahead and have a little sniff of it, as if you can smell it. But anyway, I got this at Walmart. And then our lemon heads and hot tamales. I'm gonna put that in there. And then our dark chocolate. I'm gonna put that in there. And so let's cut this little edge off a little bit more. And just remember that this is for you, so it doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. And I'm not sure if I said this or not, but what it says on this part, it says happiness is a day at the beach. And what I'm going to do is just kind of fold it down, almost like you do wrapping paper, where you crease it. And then I'm going to just crease it again. And hopefully it just kind of comes out right. Because I don't like to use the, I can't remember what you call it, but you know the little, I only like to use scissors. I can't think of what the other name is. I don't know. I think one time maybe I cut myself with it accidentally or something. And ever since then it's like, I'm not using those, I think it's called a X-Acto knife, I believe. So, yeah, let's just cut this out. And cut it a little bit shorter. But yeah, the coping skill spots, it's wonderful to use at any time you're having problems, kind of bring yourself down from strong emotions, or you know somebody that has, you know, problems with it. You can send them you know, this video, or tell them about this video. If you think that it might be helpful for them. Yeah. So this is one of the little tools. What I'm doing now is just putting my glue on there. And I'm hoping this is going to be just fine, like sticking wise. I thought about using rubber cement glue, but I don't really have any of that. So, and what happens for me, I'll just start kind of thinking about stuff, because I just happen to kind of start thinking about gluing this down and things like that. Let's see, try to get it nice and even. Yeah. And I don't know, I might not even put it on the whole thing. Just, you know, leave it like that and just go with it. Yeah. And what you could even do is put some type of glaze over it. I think that would look pretty cool as well. And then I also bought some stickers to go with it. Here we go. It's like, oh, here we go. Little beach stickers. And I think I'm going to put this on the inside of the box. So that when I open it up, it'll have like a little beach on the inside. I think I'll use, let me see. I'll find some paper. I'll find let's see, which one do I like? It's like a lot of them in here. I'll turn this way so y'all can see what all I'm looking at. This one's really pretty. Because, okay, this is like a 3D sticker, and so I could probably put it like somehow, some way in there, like maybe in there. So I think I'm going to use this one and tear this little baby out, and then I'm going to stick that on the inside of it. And like I said, I'm planning to write on the inside of the box, this too shall pass. Yeah. Okay, so I've cut this part out, and then what I'm going to do is add some waves to give it some three-dimensional appeal to it. And these are just some stickers I found at Walmart in their crafting section. I'm trying to think if I want it. Where would you see the waves? You would see the waves more so back here. Or I might even just put like little seashells like on the bottom. Keep it simple, keep it easy. You know what I think I might do with the stickers? Since I'm not gonna have it going all the way. Oh, that's how you do it. See, isn't that beautiful? I wish I could say I painted it, but I painted it. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, no, I did not paint it. This is one of the scrapbooking pages that I was telling you all about. But yeah, so I put a little seashell sticker right there, and then it has some waves in it. So I thought maybe I could put like some waves down here. I might, because I'm not planning to actually put paper so much down there, because I just don't feel like doing all that cutting to make sure it's exactly right. But this way it kind of adds to it. You know, it's just kind of fun to do a little something to add a three-dimensional appeal to it in the background. Put some more little waves right there, and then the stickers have some like little bubbles. So I think I'll put, I think what I'll do, see, I'm just getting too excited. But yeah, I think what I'll do is I'll put the stickers kind of more so inside of the box. So that way, let's see if I can get a little bit closer in. No, I think that's, let's see. Will it go any closer? No, it will not. So I'll slide it closer. And then that way y'all can kind of see what I mean. See little stickers right here. Yeah, okay, good. You can see that. So I put the little stickers right there. And then I'm going to put some more around on this part. And then the paper goes nicely with the cheers. I'm going to put like maybe just one more little seashell right there. Yeah, I think I'll put some more little seashell parts on the paper itself, and then just, you know, enjoy putting the little stickers on the inside. That way you can kind of include the whole inside of the box as well without having to do, you know, all the cutting and all around it. But anyway, I need to put, I was about to end, but then I thought, oh, I need to glue it down first. So y'all can see the finished product. Oh, and you know what else I could do? I just thought of this. Even for like for the paper, it has these little pearl stickers on it. So what I think I'll do is go ahead and put some of those little pearl stickers on there, just to kind of, you know, make it look a little bit more exciting and inviting. And just let your imagination, you know, go wild. I wish I had saved some of it. I didn't even think about I could put some little pearl stickers on it. But that's cool, because we just want it just to kind of bring it together. So maybe we just put this one like right, it's sticking to my hand, right here. If we can get it off. Okay, it doesn't want to come off. No big deal. So this last little sticker we'll put, little bubble sticker we'll put right there. And see if that, no, that little pearl will not stay there like I want it to. Then I just noticed I have some more little stickers. So I could actually put, you know, I might do that. I could actually put some stickers on the paper itself as well. Let me go ahead and put this part to the background. Yeah, I really like that. It just kind of brings it out some more. Let's see if you can go, if it can come in a little closer. You see how that looks? It gives it like brings you more into the picture. Yeah. Yeah, this is great. I love it. And then for, I was thinking about, okay, with the 5 senses, we have the taste, you know, the lemon heads. 2. Okay. And then we have the candle for the smell, which gives us like that beach island smell to it. We have our kinetic sand. I might even open that up so you all can see what I'm talking about. And also so I can make sure that's exactly what I was talking about and thinking of. Okay, so I think I'm finished. Except for I might go in and put the little, I don't remember what you call that stuff that you can put over this. You know, give it kind of a glossy, that I can put over this and it'll give it kind of a glossy look. I might do that, I might not. I'm not sure. It depends also on how well the glue holds to the box. I might have to use a stronger glue. But for now, I like the way that looks. See, isn't that beautiful? And then, you know, this part, the top part, I just love it. You know, you get a chance to be creative. And actually, if you wanted to, you could keep some art supplies nearby so that when you do have some, when you do feel kind of bad, sorry for Ginger. Okay, so we have our coping skill spots put together. I think I'm going to end it here. And yeah, I really enjoyed doing this. This was a lot of fun. And I'm very proud of it. It brings a little bit of the beach to me whenever I need some extra comfort.